We're in Queenstown, New Zealand, lads. The adventure capital of the world. This place is a haven for thrill seekers, a breeding ground for adrenaline junkies. If you're looking to stare fear in the face and live to tell the tale, you've come to the right place. We're about to embark on a journey, a wild ride through the top 5 adventure activities this side of the Southern Alps. Over the next few days, we'll be pushing our limits, testing our courage, and experiencing the raw power of nature. We'll be jumping from bridges, diving from the skies, and battling rapids that'd make a grown man weep. This isn't for the faint of heart, lads. This is for those who crave adventure, who yearn for the rush that only comes from staring danger in the eye and saying, not today. We're talking bungee jumping, the original heart stopper, right here in its birthplace. We'll be skydiving over Lake Wakatipu, a scene so breathtaking it'll steal your breath before the jump even begins. And hold on tight, because we're tackling the Shotover River, first by jet boat, a white-knuckle ride through narrow canyons, and then by raft, facing down rapids that'll test your mettle like never before. So buckle up, my friends, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. This is Queenstown, and it's time to unleash your inner daredevil. Let's do this. First up, we're tackling the granddaddy of them all, the one that started it all, bungee jumping. And not just any bungee jump, we're going straight to the source, the birthplace of commercial bungee jumping, the Kawarau Bridge. This 43-meter drop is not for the faint of heart. It's a true test of courage, a moment where you stare down at that raging river below and question every decision that led you to this point. But trust me, the feeling of conquering that fear, of taking that leap of faith, is like nothing else on earth. Now, before you go throwing yourself off a perfectly good bridge, there are a few things you need to know. First off, timing is everything. The early bird catches the best jump, avoiding those midday queues and getting that perfect morning light for your victory photos. And speaking of photos, make sure you've got someone on hand to capture the moment. You'll want to relive this one, trust me. Next up, let's talk about what you're wearing. You want something comfortable, something that won't get in your way when you take the plunge. But remember, this is Queenstown. The weather can change on a dime, so be prepared for anything. Pack layers and always have a waterproof jacket handy. You don't want to be that guy shivering on the platform, second-guessing his life choices. All right, adrenaline junkies, we're taking things up a notch, literally. Get ready for an experience that will redefine the meaning of thrill. We're talking about skydiving over Lake Wakatipu, one of the most stunning drop zones on the planet. Imagine the rush of free-falling with such a breathtaking backdrop. Picture this, you're 15,000 feet above the earth, strapped to a seasoned professional, staring out at a panorama of snow-capped peaks, turquoise waters, and rolling green hills. The sheer beauty of the landscape is enough to take your breath away, even before you jump. This is Queenstown, lads, the adventure capital of the world, and it's about to get real. The anticipation builds as you gear up, each step bringing you closer to the ultimate leap. Now, I've jumped out of helicopters, off cliffs, even from burning buildings, but nothing quite compares to the feeling of freefall from that altitude. The moment you exit the plane, it's pure, unfiltered adrenaline. It's a sensory overload, the wind screaming past your ears, the ground rushing towards you at an alarming speed, the sheer exhilaration of it all. Your senses are heightened, and every second feels like an eternity. It's enough to make even the most seasoned adventurer question their sanity, but trust me, it's worth every heart-stopping second. The rush of freefall is followed by the serene glide under the parachute, giving you a moment to soak in the stunning views. Before you take the plunge, you need to find yourself a reputable skydiving company, one with a proven track record and experienced instructors. This ensures that your adventure is not only thrilling, but also safe. Safety is paramount, lads, and you want to make sure you're in good hands. The right company will conduct thorough safety checks and provide detailed briefings to prepare you for the jump. Check their reviews, ask about their safety procedures, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Knowledge is power, and understanding the process will help ease any pre-jump jitters. This is your life we're talking about. Ensuring that every safety measure is in place is crucial for a successful and enjoyable jump. Once you've chosen your skydiving company, it's time to mentally prepare for the jump. This is crucial, lads. Mental preparation can make a significant difference in your overall experience. You need to be in the right headspace, calm, focused, and ready for anything. Take a moment to center yourself, visualize the jump, and embrace the adventure ahead. Visualize the jump, go over the safety procedures in your head, and most importantly, breathe. Deep, calming breaths. This will help you stay composed and enjoy the experience to the fullest. It's going to be all right. Remember, you're in the hands of professionals, and this is an adventure you'll remember for a lifetime. So take a deep breath, trust the process, and get ready for the thrill of a lifetime. We're in the heart of Queenstown, and things are about to get extreme. Forget your average boat trip. This is jet boating Shotover River style. You'll be strapped into a high-powered machine capable of reaching speeds you wouldn't believe. This is a true test of courage, folks. Imagine yourself navigating narrow canyons, the sheer rock walls close enough to touch, the roar of the engine, the spray of the water in your face. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way. And just when you think you've got your bearings, they hit you with a 360-degree spin. Talk about a rush. This isn't a theme park ride, this is the real deal. You're at the mercy of the river and the skill of the pilot. But trust me, these guys are the best in the business. They know every twist and turn of this river like the back of their hand. So if you're looking for an adventure that will leave you breathless and buzzing, Shotover River jet boating is the one for you. Hold on tight because you're in for a wild ride. All right, adventurers, we're diving headfirst into the rapids with some heart-pumping whitewater rafting on the Shotover River. This isn't just any river, it's one of the most thrilling and scenic rafting destinations in the world. Picture this, you strapped into a raft, paddling like mad through churning white water surrounded by sheer canyon walls. The roar of the river fills your ears, and the spray of the water hits your face, making you feel truly alive. It's not for the faint of heart, but trust me, the adrenaline rush is unbelievable. Your heart will be pounding, your muscles will be straining, and you'll feel a sense of exhilaration like never before. We're talking grade 3 to 5 rapids here, folks. That's a serious test of your mettle. These rapids are powerful and unpredictable, demanding both physical strength and mental focus. Before you even think about tackling those rapids, we need to talk safety. Safety is paramount when you're dealing with the raw power of nature. You'll be kitted out with a helmet and life jacket, essential pieces of kit when you're battling the might of the river. These aren't just for show, they are your lifeline in the event of an unexpected tumble into the water. Listen up closely to your guide's instructions. They're your lifeline out there. Their knowledge and experience are invaluable, and following their guidance can make the difference between a thrilling adventure and a dangerous mishap. These guys are seasoned pros. They know the river like the back of their hands, and their expertise could save your life. They can read the water, anticipate the challenges ahead, and steer you safely through the most treacherous sections. Remember, this isn't a theme park ride. This is Mother Nature at her most powerful. The river's currents are strong and relentless, and they demand respect. You'll need to work as a team, paddling in sync to navigate the rapids. Communication and coordination are key, and every paddle stroke counts. But don't worry, amidst the adrenaline-pumping chaos, there are moments of serenity too. These calm stretches offer a welcome respite, allowing you to catch your breath and prepare for the next challenge. You'll glide through calm stretches of water, giving you a chance to catch your breath and soak in the breathtaking scenery. The contrast between the raging rapids and the peaceful waters is truly remarkable. And speaking of scenery, the Shotover River doesn't disappoint. The landscape is nothing short of spectacular, offering a visual feast at every turn. Towering canyons, lush native bush, and crystal clear water, it's a feast for the eyes. The natural beauty of this place is awe-inspiring, and it's a privilege to experience it from the river. But don't get too distracted by the beauty. Those rapids will sneak up on you before you know it. Stay alert, stay focused, and enjoy the ride of a lifetime on the Shotover River. For this next adventure, we're taking to the skies, experiencing Queenstown's dramatic landscape from a whole new perspective. Paragliding. This isn't just any ordinary flight, it's an extraordinary journey that offers a unique vantage point of one of the most beautiful places on Earth. Imagine this, you and your tandem pilot running towards the edge of Coronet Peak, the ground falling away beneath you. The anticipation builds with each step, your heart pounding in your chest as you approach the precipice. It's a leap of faith, a surrender to the elements, and a feeling of pure exhilaration. The moment your feet leave the ground, you're no longer bound by gravity, but embraced by the wind. As you soar above the mountainside, the world unfolds beneath you like a giant map. Every ridge, valley, and waterway becomes part of a grand, intricate tapestry. You'll see the Remarkables mountain range in all its glory, their jagged peaks piercing the sky. These ancient formations stand as silent sentinels watching over the land. Below, Lake Wakatipu shimmers like a giant sapphire, its turquoise waters reflecting the clear blue sky. The lake's serpentine shape adds to the mystique, winding through the landscape like a precious gem. The air is fresh and crisp, the only sound is the wind whistling past your ears. It's a symphony of nature, a melody that speaks to the soul. It's just you, the open sky, and the breathtaking beauty of the Southern Alps. The vast expanse of sky above and the rugged terrain below create a sense of freedom that's hard to match. Paragliding is more than just an adrenaline rush. It's a chance to connect with nature on a deeper level, to experience the world from a bird's eye view. It's a perspective that few get to experience, a privilege that brings a profound sense of awe. But don't think for a minute that this is a passive activity. It's an interactive experience where you become part of the flight dynamics. You'll be actively involved in the flight, working with your pilot to steer the paraglider, feeling the wind in your face and experiencing the freedom of flight firsthand. The sensation of controlling your path through the sky is both empowering and exhilarating. Now, before you launch yourself off a mountain, it's crucial to choose a reputable paragliding school. This decision is the foundation of a safe and enjoyable experience. Look for experienced, certified pilots with a deep understanding of the local weather conditions and a commitment to safety. Their expertise is invaluable, ensuring that every flight is conducted under optimal conditions. Remember, you're putting your trust in their hands. Their skill and knowledge are what make this adventure possible. Ask about their safety record, the equipment they use, and the level of instruction provided. Quality equipment and thorough instruction are non-negotiable for a secure flight. A good school will take the time to explain everything clearly, answer all your questions, and ensure you feel comfortable and confident before taking the leap. This preparation is key to a relaxed and enjoyable flight. Don't be afraid to shop around, read reviews, and talk to other adventurers who have flown with different schools. Their experiences can provide valuable insights. Choosing the right school can make all the difference, ensuring a safe, enjoyable, and unforgettable experience. It's worth taking the time to find the best fit for your needs. And while you're researching, consider the different flight options available. Each option offers a unique experience tailored to different levels of comfort and adventure. Do you want a short introductory flight, or are you ready for a longer, more adventurous ride with aerobatic maneuvers? The choice is yours, and each option has its own set of thrills. Choose the flight that best suits your comfort level and your thirst for adventure. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a first-timer, there's a flight that's perfect for you. Remember, we're at the mercy of Mother Nature when it comes to paragliding. Her moods can change quickly, and it's important to be prepared for the unexpected. The weather conditions play a crucial role in determining whether a flight is safe and enjoyable. Wind speed, direction, and atmospheric stability are all factors that pilots must consider. Clear skies, gentle winds, and mild temperatures are ideal for paragliding. These conditions provide the best environment for a smooth and enjoyable flight. Before you book your flight, check the weather forecast and be prepared to reschedule if conditions aren't favorable. Flexibility is key to ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. Safety always comes first, and a reputable school will never fly in unsafe conditions. Their priority is your well-being, and they will make decisions based on the best interest of their clients. During the flight, your pilot will be constantly monitoring the weather, looking out for any changes in wind speed or direction. This vigilance ensures that the flight remains smooth and secure. Trust their judgment and follow their instructions at all times. Their experience and expertise are what keep you safe in the skies. And finally, what about that moment of truth, the landing? It's the culmination of your aerial adventure, a return to solid ground. Don't worry, with a skilled pilot by your side, landing is usually a gentle affair. They will guide you smoothly back to Earth, ensuring a safe and comfortable touchdown. You'll touch down softly on a grassy field, your heart still racing from the exhilaration of flight. The adrenaline rush lingers, a reminder of the incredible journey you've just experienced. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you're back on solid ground. The memories of soaring above Queenstown, the feeling of freedom and the breathtaking views will be etched in your mind forever. So there you have it. Adventurers, our top 5 adrenaline-pumping activities in Queenstown, New Zealand. From the heart-stopping plunge of a bungee jump to the serene glide of a paraglider, Queenstown has something to offer every thrill seeker. Remember, adventure is out there waiting, just beyond your comfort zone. Join us as we dive, jump and soar through Queenstown's most thrilling adventure activities. Whether you're planning your trip or just dreaming of adventure, this guide has everything you need. Subscribe for more travel adventures. Love adventure travel? Hit that subscribe button and join our community of thrill seekers. Like, comment and share if you enjoyed the video.